YouTube. We got an easy fucking trading day today. But the market acting funny right now. It's kind of choppy and it's just moving weird, to be honest. So I just did some low risk trades, one contract on the futures account. We down on the options, but we up on the futures. I'm gonna show y'all these trades real quick. So I took this trade on SPY around where opening price up here. I waited for it to come just about near this low of pre-market, and we're trading below previous day. So I was waiting for a fairly good entry point. I was thinking it's gonna come touch this fair value gap in between, but that's not what happened with price. We got stopped out down here, and I waited just a little bit so I can take some trim some of that loss off, and then I closed it just about right there in the middle. For how much did I lose? $31, if I'm not mistaken. No, for futures, I took this quick scalp at 9:30. We had these two candles drop right here. I didn't take it on the 1 minute. I took it on a different time frame, so it'll look like this. I took it on the 5 minute. This is a fair value gap. I waited for the bounce, and the bounce happened. So I bought like right around there, but it filled me like right around there. So I waited for price to come up top of this candle or top of these candles right here and connect. Hit that one for 500 or 400 and some change, and then came back down here, smacked this very, very tiny scalp. I'm so proud of myself because look at that. It's literally the size of the candle. I closed it so fast. I didn't want my trailing drawdown to be, I didn't want to lose any money on my trailing drawdown. I wanted it to stay where it's at, stay at 2,500. So what I did was, the most I seen it go to, this right here, the most I seen it go to after I entered was like 150. So I told myself, anything above 150, I'm taking it. So as soon as it tapped 150 or right above 150, I took it, and this is what we ended up with. $2 difference, which is so crazy to me. So crazy. But anyways, we finished the day with 600 profit on the funded, $30 loss on the options, and it's all good. Let me show y'all that real fast. Actually, I'm not gonna show y'all. It's all good though. Come back tomorrow, same attitude, same type of trading style. I actually didn't follow my VWAP strategy today on my options, and that's my fault. I should have, because now that I'm looking at it, it bounced right off of it. Bounced right off VWAP and came slap down. And I would have been in profit, but I was in calls because as of yesterday, not even just yesterday, since last Friday, we've been falling. And I didn't expect this to happen. Not today. I would expect some pullback today, but I'm guessing we had to pull back yesterday and a little bit of pre-market. At least that's what I'm seeing. But you know, I didn't expect Bitcoin to fall under 90,000 either. But the market is just full of surprises lately. So again, we'll come back tomorrow. Same attitude, same trading style. I'm glad I could keep the futures going, keep the funded account going. I know I can pass this. I could easily pass it in a day. I'm just taking it easy so I can actually train myself for the 30% rules and all of that stuff. I mean, honestly, I can knock this out easily. I can make the 30% easily as well. It's kind of like tricking my mind into thinking less is more. Because less is more. Over time, less is more. So, again, we'll figure all of that out. Some days I might make more than 30%. Some days I just make 30%. Like, it is what it is. Like, I know that's how trading goes. I'm gonna do the same thing, the same type of ideology on my options account, since I have no money and I have to build up. That's about it. I blew the account. Started a new account. Now I'm only at 947. Earlier I was at 1600 on the other account. But let me show y'all. Show y'all this blown. Like, I'm not bullshitting. I blew the account. It is what it is. Like, it's no big deal. I bought another one immediately, ran it back up to $1,000. So tomorrow, this is what we're gonna be trading on. Still the same deal. I really don't fuck with that trailing stop. Like, I've been trading options so long, I'm not used to having a stop loss, unless it's mental stop loss, you feel me? But I'm not used to having a trailing limit. Let's just put it like that. I'm used to putting stop losses. I'm just not used to having a trailing limit. And I just don't like it. I don't fuck with it. But in order for me to prevent that, I'm gonna use one contract for leverage, buy at the lowest point or the highest point, and then hold as long as I possibly can, because I noticed that too. I've been trying to scalp a lot lately. Man, really, I need to not swing, but I need to be intraday. An intraday trader, meaning hold it for a couple of hours or whatever. When I think of swing trading, I think of it more like holding it for days or weeks. But that's what we gonna do. That's the plan. We still funded. We're still good. Everything's all good. Don't be alarmed. Luckily, I can buy another one. If I blow this one, then we just gonna repeat the process. It's all good. But mainly, what I'm trying to do is have futures and options. But we'll figure that out as we go along. Things happen, mishap in the plan. Fuck it. Still gotta keep going. I love y'all. Like and subscribe. I'm gonna catch y'all tomorrow.